This question is on dynamics, and you are given block A, which is 2 kg, block B 4 kg. They are connected by a light string, and there's a force of 12 Newton that's pulling both, acting on A. That means to say the whole block, the whole system A and B together will be pulled to the right. It will move to the right. Given that the floor is smooth, so we can assume there's no friction, what is the tension in the string connecting block A and B? Now, the first thing you need to know is the string here, the tension is an action reaction. All right. So that's the first thing to know. And the first step to do this kind of question is you have to consider and you have to find the acceleration of the whole system moving to the right. In other words, I can combine the two together, and basically that will be 6 kg. And the only force that's acting on the whole system, all right, is 12 Newton. You can literally see it like that because you treat both as a one single object like that, which is equivalent to a 6 kg block. So if you have this information, you can actually find, you have a net force, you have a mass here, you should think about the F net equals to MA, and the only force, which is the net force, is 12 Newton, the mass is 6, and you can find that the acceleration of the box moving to the right is 2 meters per second square, meaning to say the acceleration of this is 2, the acceleration of this is also 2 meters per second square. Once you have found this, the next step is to draw free body diagram for individual box. Now, which one do you draw first? Of course, it's good practice to choose the one with the least number of forces acting on the box. So that means to say I will choose to draw free body diagram because there's only one force, and that's the T that I want to find. So if I were to draw the free body diagram, meaning to say you just focus on block B, that is 4 kg, and the only force acting is your T. And the acceleration, which you found already, the whole system is moving to the right with an acceleration of 2 meters per second square. So just looking at this free body diagram, I can apply my F net equals to MA. The only force acting on the 4 kg block is only the T, the unknown tension of the string. And the mass is 4 kg, but the acceleration is the same. So you know you can get the answer. The tension is 8.0, so the answer is C. Now, what if you choose A to draw the free body diagram? Can, because even though there are two forces acting, the only unknown, there's only one unknown you can solve. Okay, let's do it here. If I draw the free, let's say I did not do the one here, I do not know the answer. So I'll be drawing all the forces that's acting on block A only. So 12 Newton to the right, and there's a tension which is unknown to the left. So once again, applying the F net equals to MA. And what's the net force acting on this 2 kg block? There's 12 Newton to the right, tension to the left. And since it's moving to the right, this is bigger. I will take 12 minus tension. That will be equals to the mass of the block A, 2 kg times A. The A will now be 2 meter per second square. Alright, so you just solve and you get the same answer, 8 Newton. Alright, so both ways you can get the answer. Alright, thank you.